Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video we will find the derivative of the function natural log of 7x. Before starting the video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. We will first apply the logarithmic differentiation rule, which states that d by dx of natural log of x u is 1 over u times du by dx. Now our question u is 7x. We will find this du by dx. We will take derivative of this function with respect to x. So taking the derivative d by dx on both sides, d by dx of 7x. du by dx equals, if 7 is constant, it can become coefficient 7 into d by dx of x. Dx by d by dx of x is 1, so du by dx equals to 7. Now we will apply chain rule. We will put the value of du by dx here. We have value of u, so it will becomes d by dx of natural log of u equals 1 over u du by dx. We will put the values. D by dx natural log of u is 7x equals 1 over u 7x. Du by dx is 7. 7 cancel with 7. We get d by dx natural log of 7x equals 1 by x. This is the final answer of this function natural log of 7x. Now we have another function f of x equals natural log of x power 4 plus 1. We have to find its derivative. We will start solving it. We know that chain rule is d by dx of natural log of u equals 1 over u times du by dx. In this question we have a u equals x power 4 plus 1. So first we will find this term. We will take derivative on both sides. D by dx of u equals d by dx of x power 4 plus 1. Du over dx, we will take the derivative separately. D by dx of x power 4 plus d by dx of 1. Du over dx equals derivative of x power 4 is 4x cube plus derivative of constant is 0. So du by dx equals 4x cube. Now we will put this value here in our formula. So d by dx of natural log of u is x power 4 plus 1 equals 1 over u 1 over x power 4 plus 1 times du by dx is 4x cube. So final answer is d by dx of natural log of x power 4 plus 1 is 4x cube over x power 4 plus 1. This is the derivative of the given function. Thank you for watching my video.